Welcome back. Police training school at Walpur is in a vague nexus. Trainee police are served alcohol, they are forced to have insurance policies through agents of senior police officials' kin. Gen Next team, while exposing this nexus, has asked the DGP to transfer the SP and the PI at the training school immediately. Meanwhile, a trainee police met with an accident recently. Question here is, how are the trainee police allowed vehicles outside the PTS premises?
Self-accident on Melo Marshalan. Case is registered in police station Pondar today morning. He was declared dead at Betki PHC. Police training school burge bahar kasha hota. Police third trainee burग्यांक सोरो सप्लाय केल्लो वता. तर आता रेड मारून पोचे कॅन सापडटले थंय. सो आमी मागणी केल्या की इमिडिएट थंयच्या PI आनी SP ताबडतोब हालोचो.
Parties organized by trainee police gambling in the training school are some of the wrongdoings. Prudent had exposed with pictures 2 years ago at the PTS. Following the expose, reporters were not allowed to enter the premises of the school. Hence, it was not known if the illegality stopped following an expose. However, now it seems has reached new heights. Trainee police are forced to have insurance policies.
ट्रेनीजांक की ऑफिसरांच्या बायलांकडल्यान इन्शुरन्स पॉलिसी केल्ली गेल्ली वता. थर्ड IRB बॅच चेन्नई तामिळनाडू धाडिल्लो. फॉर्म्स इन्शुरन्साचे थंय धाडिल्ले गेल्ले आहा. इन्शुरन्स पॉलिसी काढून पळयात एजंट कोण आहात ते. नाल्यार धमकी. मिसयूज ऑफ students' funds.
DGP has assured Gen Next to probe the matter and seek an inquiry report.
इस चीज़ पे मैंने DIG रेंज को नियुक्त किया है कि वो इस पे एक डिटेल्ड इंक्वायरी करें, हर एलिगेशन पे गौर से जाएं, प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट मुझे 1 महीने के अंतर्गत सबमिट करें और इसमें अगर कोई गलती पाई गई तो नेचुरली उनको पनिशमेंट मिलेगा, चाहे वो कोई भी हो.
Prudent had earlier in the past exposed such activities in the PTS. Now, it will have to be seen what action DGP initiates against alleged nexus in the PTS. Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Margao locals are annoyed with Sulabh International's functioning. Locals informed that Sulabh toilet at KTC in Margao is releasing its waste into the rainwater drain. This waste is clogged at KTC bus stand, thus making it a health hazard for passengers. People want the authorities to stop the waste entering the drain. That's not all. The workers of Sulabh toilet are overcharging the foreigners for service. Savio Dias reports.
This is the Sulabh toilet at the Margao KTC bus stand. It says Sulabh, a symbol of cleanliness, but the waste from the toilet is released in an open rainwater drain.
ताणी ह्यो सगळ्यो सिवेरेज तांचे जे उदक मेडें उदक घाणीचें उदक हांगासर बस स्टँडार नाल्लांत सोडलेलें आसा. सो हांव मागतां म्युनिसिपालिटी जावं हे सुलभ इंडस्ट्रीचा चीफ कोण आसा पळय ताणें हाजेचेर कायद्याचेर मातशें फुडाकार घेवचो आनी हें उदक हांगासर आमच्या हातून सोडलेलें आसा तें मातशें बंद करचें. कित्याक आतां पावसाक न्हय, पावस येतकच हें सगळें उदक आमच्या शेतांनी वता आनी शेतांनी पायप सुद्दां घालूंक जायना, ताका लागून थोड्यांनी शेतां सुद्दां रोवपाचीं सोडलेलीं आसा.
Prudent questioned the Sulabh International engineer. He said the soak pit is leaking and mending work will be taken up on priority.
हम बाथरूम का पानी वहाँ निकलता है सोक पिट में और नाला में है. अभी हम इसको टैंकर से तुरंत खाली करवा देते हैं, तुरंत इमीडिएट. अभी हम टैंकर बुलवा रहे हैं.
लेकिन क्यों छोड़ा था ऐसा?
नहीं, वो नहाने वाला का पानी रहता है, सोक पिट में जाता है. सोक पिट से वहाँ साइड में चूँकि वो ऊपर है लेवल उसका कदमा बस स्टैंड, वो मिट्टी फिलिंग ऊपर है, साइड में वो है, थोड़ा उधर से जाता होगा. अभी तुरंत हम इसको खाली करवा देते हैं टैंकर से.
That's not all. The workers of Sulabh International are overcharging the foreigners for using the toilets.
Charge?
How much?
Charge 2 rupees only pee and 5 rupees to. Very good. If you bathroom 10 rupees maybe.
Reporter Savio Dias for Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.